Neil from Exterior Clean Melbourne here. As you can see, we're working on a property here with a bullnose veranda. I'll just get out of the sun for you so you can see it. It's very dirty, a lot of mould, mildew build up. We're just doing the gutters here now, and then we're going to start with the chemical wash so we can remove all this lichen and black spot mould. See that pretty heavily built up on this roof. We're also going to be cleaning, so we're doing the gutters, the roof, and we're also going to be doing the polycarbonate roof. So I'll just show you that here. So you can see we'll be washing all this external gutter, and then look at this polycarbonate roof underneath here. So we'll be cleaning all of this up for them as well, which will mean that they'll get a hell of a lot more light coming into the main building as well, or the main house. And I'll just take you around this other side here so you can see it very clearly and transparently. Again, this is really dirty polycarbonate roofs. Yeah. Alright folks, so we'll show you the results as we go, and I'll just show you actually quickly. I'll just pick it up here so you can actually see the condition of the roof from the top side, because roofs always look quite different from the top side. Okay, there you go. So this is the roof from the top side. You see how dirty it is. You don't see a lot of this detail because, you know, from down below you can't see it, but it's yeah, it's pretty filthy. Look at all this ridge capping. Yeah. So, all right, onward bound. We'll show you the results at the end. We will be doing a chemical soft wash on this, meaning a mould and mildew treatment on this roof, because all of this is all organic algal growth, okay? And for this, we have to kill the spores, and this will never come off with pressure. So anyone who tells you that, just make a note of it. If anyone tells you they'll get this off with pressure, no, you won't, and you won't kill the spores. So that's why chemical is really the critical factor in it. Look at this. Look at this result. From where we started, this is a serious transformation. Okay, I'm blowing my own trumpet, but I think we have the right to in this case. Look at that, all that roof's come up really good. Now, this is an old Colorbond roof, okay? So what happens over time is it oxidizes. So they do have a bit of a, oh, they've locked the gate here. Have to go around the other way. Huh? Oops, sorry.
I'm going to lock the whole gate there.
Oh, I was going to say that's already locked.
You're going to go through again.
Oh, just, yeah, can I go through here or? Oh, yeah, it's locked through there. Yeah. Can I get through there or?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Just want to do a quick shot of the...
I'm just going to shut this gate. Just go in through the garage.
Through here?
Yeah, there's a little door there.
Oh, yeah? No worries, I'll do that. Yep, that'll be brilliant. Yeah, so what happens, coming back now, start again. Johnny, you can edit this section out. Yeah, so, and look at this folks, I mean, look at the light. I'll start again, hold on. Look at this polycarbonate roof. From where we started to where we finished. In the overlaps, we did our best, but there's some sections we just can't get into. They've got more than one overlap here, see, so it gets complex. See, where you've just got one overlap, it's a bit easier. Anyway, that's a bit of detail, but just look at the amount of light we've got coming through there. Absolutely fantastic. In this case, we also cleaned all the external guttering and the fascia, because it just wouldn't make sense if we're doing everything else, including the roof and the bullnose veranda, if we didn't do this. So we've done that. So if you ever need anything like that done, just smarten up the appearance, you know. Look at this roof. This was so heavily caked. You can see it all on the ground here. So heavily caked. There was no light coming through here. It's actually come up like gold. All right, now I'm going to take you back up the top, all right? Now let's go on the actual roof side. It just started to rain. So, all right, have a look at this. So all the bullnose veranda. It's actually come up brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Almost like new. So look at that for a result. Okay, I'm just going to show you briefly what oxidation is, okay, because you might have it on your roof, you may not be aware of it, but when we clean it, see this here? So that's all painted. Over time the sun will break down paint and it'll become like a powder, and when we wash it, it just releases. And so this is what oxidation is. So it basically exposes, you can see it's a little bit here too, but you'll see it happening mostly on these over there as well, north facing sides of the property where the sun is heaviest. You can see it all on this side here too. All right, so if you have oxidation, then the only thing you can do is to A, clean it, and then B, repaint it. So that's the only options. All right.